What makes the Dutch so extraordinary? You might know them as the tallest people in the world or as master engineers who tamed the sea, but there's something even more intriguing at play: what's inside their DNA. Dutch DNA holds secrets tied to their survival, innovation, and unique lifestyle. But how did this small nation, nestled in lowlands of Europe, end up with such distinct genetic traits? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. From their towering height to their incredible resistance to diseases, Dutch genetics are a perfect blend of history, environment, and biology. What's more, their story is still unfolding today, with modern science uncovering more secrets about their DNA than ever before. Here's a quick preview of what we'll explore: how the Netherlands' geography isolated its people, how waves of migration shaped their genetic pool, and how battling environmental challenges gave rise to unique traits. We'll also look at their striking ability to digest milk, their resilience against disease, and the cultural habits that influence their genetic evolution. So, why does Dutch DNA stand out? Their story isn't just about biology, it's about survival. The Dutch lived in a land constantly threatened by the sea, requiring teamwork, innovation, and adaptation. This constant battle for survival left its mark on their genes, creating a legacy of resilience and strength. But it's not all about survival. Dutch DNA also carries markers of their cultural and dietary habits. For example, did you know that their love for dairy isn't just a cultural tradition? It's deeply rooted in their genes. Scientists have uncovered fascinating connections between Dutch diets, environment, and their genetic makeup. We'll also explore how modern genetics research continues to reveal new insights into the Dutch population. With studies highlighting traits like happiness and cooperative tendencies, Dutch DNA seems to reflect their world-famous culture of tolerance and community. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Dutch DNA is so unique and how it tells a story of history, culture, and survival. Ready? Let's embark on this journey through the genetic tapestry of the Netherlands. The Netherlands is a country that's shaped as much by its geography as by its people. Sitting below sea level, it's a land defined by water, rivers, the North Sea, and marshy wetlands. This geography didn't just shape the Dutch way of life, it also had a profound impact on their genetic makeup. For centuries, the Dutch lived in isolated communities, cut off from neighboring regions by natural barriers. While people from other parts of Europe mingled freely, the Dutch often stayed put, marrying and having families within their close-knit towns and villages. This isolation created a kind of genetic bubble, where certain traits became more common over generations. Take their height, for example. Scientists believe that natural selection favored taller individuals in the Netherlands environment. Being tall wasn't just an advantage for survival, it also became a desirable trait within isolated communities, where social and physical preferences could take root. Over time, this led to the Dutch becoming the tallest population in the world. But isolation wasn't the only factor at play. The Netherlands' unique geography also demanded a special kind of resilience. Living in a land prone to floods and extreme weather meant that only the strongest and most cooperative individuals thrived. These environmental pressures didn't just shape their culture, they influenced their DNA, favoring traits like physical strength, endurance, and even problem-solving abilities. Interestingly, the Dutch also developed genetic adaptations tied to their diet. Living in marshy, waterlogged lands limited their ability to farm grains or raise livestock for meat. Instead, they turned to dairy, which became a cornerstone of their diet. This reliance on dairy products led to one of their most notable genetic traits, lactose tolerance. While much of the global population struggles to digest milk into adulthood, the Dutch adapted, making them uniquely suited to thrive on a dairy-rich diet. Ultimately, the Netherlands' geography created a kind of natural laboratory for genetic evolution. The combination of isolation, environmental challenges, and dietary adaptations gave rise to a population with unique genetic traits that stand out even among their European neighbors. It's a reminder that where we live doesn't just shape our way of life, it can shape who we are, down to our very DNA. The Netherlands, despite its geographic isolation, has always been a crossroads of Europe, a place where different cultures, ideas, and people have intersected. While its geography created natural barriers that limited large-scale genetic mixing, its location as a hub of trade and migration ensured that its gene pool was far from stagnant. The result? A unique blend of genetic contributions from various ancient populations. One of the earliest significant influences on Dutch DNA came from the Celts, who occupied much of Europe, including parts of what is now the Netherlands, during the Iron Age. The Celts brought with them not only their culture but also their genetic traits, such as adaptability and physical endurance. These traits became embedded in the Dutch gene pool, blending with those of earlier indigenous populations. Next came the Germanic tribes, whose migrations around 500 BCE forever shaped the genetic makeup of Northern Europe. The ancestors of modern Dutch people were heavily influenced by these tribes, who contributed significantly to their physical strength and robust health. These genetic markers still stand out in the modern Dutch population, with studies showing high frequencies of genetic traits linked to resilience and physical vigor. Then, there's the Viking influence. During the early Middle Ages, Norse seafarers frequently traveled through and settled in parts of the Netherlands. Vikings were known for their adaptability, resourcefulness, and ability to thrive in challenging conditions, qualities that likely left a genetic imprint on the Dutch population. The Netherlands also saw an influx of Mediterranean traders during the Roman Empire's expansion. These interactions didn't just bring goods and culture, they also added genetic diversity. While the Mediterranean contributions were smaller, they still helped enrich the Dutch gene pool, introducing traits tied to darker hair and skin tones occasionally seen in the population today. What's fascinating is how these migrations didn't dilute the Dutch identity but instead enhanced it. The isolated nature of Dutch communities meant that while genes from different groups were introduced, they were integrated in a way that created a distinct genetic profile. By blending influences from Celts, Germanic tribes, Vikings, and Mediterranean traders, the Dutch became a genetic mosaic, one that's both diverse and uniquely their own. This mix of ancient migrations helped set the stage for the distinct traits we associate with the Dutch today, from their physical resilience to their innovative spirit. When discussing the Dutch, one trait stands out immediately: their remarkable height. The Dutch are the tallest people in the world, with men averaging 6 feet, 183 centimeters, and women around 5 feet 7 inches, 170 centimeters. But their height isn't just a coincidence, it's the result of genetic adaptations combined with environmental factors like diet. Scientists have identified several genes linked to height that are particularly common in the Dutch population. These genes are thought to have been naturally selected over centuries due to their advantages in survival and reproduction. Taller individuals were often healthier, had more children, and were more likely to pass on their genes. Over generations, this led to an overall increase in height across the population. But height isn't the only noteworthy genetic trait. The Dutch have one of the highest rates of lactose tolerance in the world. While most adults globally lose the ability to digest milk after childhood, nearly 90% of the Dutch population retains this ability well into adulthood. This adaptation is directly tied to their dairy-rich diet, which has been a staple of their culture for centuries. In a country where agriculture was limited by wet, marshy soils, dairy farming became a reliable source of nutrition. Over time, natural selection favored individuals who could digest milk, leading to the widespread presence of lactose tolerance genes. Another fascinating adaptation is the Dutch immune system. Historical exposure to diseases like malaria in the swampy regions of the Netherlands helped shape their genetic resilience. Studies show that Dutch populations have higher frequencies of certain immune-related genes, giving them a robust defense against various infections. Interestingly, Dutch DNA may also hold clues about their mental traits. Some researchers suggest that the Dutch have genetic tendencies toward cooperative behavior and problem-solving, traits essential for building and maintaining the dikes and canals that protect their low-lying land. These genetic adaptations showcase how the Dutch have evolved in response to their unique environment and challenges. Height, lactose tolerance, and resilience are more than just traits, they're a reflection of the Dutch story of survival and adaptation. Dutch DNA tells a powerful story of survival, especially in the face of disease. For centuries, the Netherlands was a land of swamps, wetlands, and constant flooding, creating the perfect breeding ground for diseases like malaria, dysentery, and the Black Death. These epidemics weren't just challenges, they were evolutionary forces that shaped the genetic resilience of the Dutch population. One of the most significant influences on Dutch genetics came from malaria. While we often associate malaria with tropical regions, it was once common in Europe, especially in the wet lowlands of the Netherlands. Living in this environment meant that survival often depended on genetic traits that provided protection against the disease. Over time, those with stronger immune systems thrived, passing on their genetic advantages to future generations. Another historical challenge was the Black Death, which devastated Europe in the 14th century. This deadly pandemic wiped out nearly half of the continent's population, and the Netherlands was no exception. However, studies suggest that the individuals who survived likely carried genetic variations that made them more resistant to infectious diseases. These genetic markers have been passed down through generations and are still present in the Dutch population today. The Dutch have also displayed a unique ability to adapt to waterborne illnesses, such as cholera and dysentery, which were common in their flood-prone environment. Their bodies seem particularly adept at fighting off intestinal infections, likely due to centuries of exposure to contaminated water sources. What's truly fascinating is how this genetic resilience manifests today. Dutch populations have a higher frequency of immune-related genes, particularly those associated with inflammatory responses and pathogen defense. These genes don't just protect against ancient diseases, they also help the Dutch maintain robust health in the modern era. The Dutch story of disease resistance isn't just about genetics, it's about survival in a challenging environment. These genetic traits are a testament to their ancestors' ability to endure epidemics and thrive in conditions where many others might have perished. It's a reminder that the challenges of the past often shape the strengths of the future. The Netherlands is a country shaped by water, both literally and figuratively. Much of the land lies below sea level, and for centuries, the Dutch have worked tirelessly to protect their homes from flooding. This unique environment didn't just influence their culture and infrastructure, it played a major role in shaping their genetics. Living in a land constantly under threat from the sea created a situation where only the strongest and most resilient individuals thrived. Physical strength and endurance were necessary for the demanding labor involved in building dikes, canals, and windmills. Over time, traits that favored physical robustness were naturally selected, resulting in a population known for its tall stature and strong physiques. The Dutch environment also played a role in their diet, which became a critical factor in their genetic evolution. With much of their land unsuitable for traditional crops, the Dutch turned to dairy farming. Milk, cheese, and other dairy products became staples of their diet, and individuals who could digest lactose into adulthood had a clear nutritional advantage. This led to the widespread development of lactose tolerance among the Dutch, a trait that remains one of their most notable genetic adaptations. Flooding and wet conditions didn't just demand physical strength, they also required innovative problem-solving and teamwork. The Dutch tradition of community-led water management, where villages worked together to maintain dikes and canals, likely favored individuals with traits conducive to cooperation and collaboration. Over generations, these cultural habits may have influenced the genetic evolution of traits like empathy, social intelligence, and adaptability. Natural selection also played a role in their resistance to diseases that thrived in the Netherlands' swampy environment. Populations that survived recurring bouts of waterborne illnesses, like cholera and dysentery, passed on genetic markers for stronger immune responses. These traits became more common over time, contributing to the Dutch population's remarkable resilience. Ultimately, the Dutch are a prime example of how environmental pressures can shape not just a culture but a genetic identity. Their height, lactose tolerance, and collaborative spirit aren't just cultural anecdotes, they're living proof of the power of natural selection in a unique and demanding environment. Modern genetics research has unveiled fascinating insights about Dutch DNA, showing us how science can uncover the hidden stories of human evolution. In recent years, scientists have analyzed the genetic makeup of the Dutch population, and the findings have been nothing short of remarkable. They reveal not just what makes the Dutch unique but also how their genetic traits have evolved over time. For instance, studies have pinpointed specific gene variants that contribute to the Dutch being the tallest people on Earth. These height-related genes appear more frequently in the Dutch population than in most other groups. Interestingly, researchers believe this height advantage also correlates with reproductive success. In a 2015 study, it was found that taller Dutch men had more children on average than shorter men, suggesting that natural selection continues to favor this trait. Another area of interest is the Dutch population's extraordinary lactose tolerance. While the global average for lactose intolerance is around 68%, only a tiny fraction of Dutch people are affected. This ability to digest dairy well into adulthood is directly tied to a gene variant that became widespread due to the Netherlands' reliance on dairy farming. Researchers see this as a textbook example of how diet and culture can drive genetic evolution. Even psychological traits have come under the microscope. Some studies suggest that Dutch genetics may contribute to their high rankings in global happiness surveys. Certain genes associated with serotonin regulation, the so-called happiness hormone, are slightly more prevalent in Dutch DNA. While this doesn't mean genetics alone explain their contentment, it shows how biology might complement cultural and societal factors. Genetic research has also provided insights into the Dutch immune system. Scientists have identified gene variants that make the Dutch particularly adept at fighting off infections, a legacy of their ancestors' survival against diseases like malaria and cholera. Overall, modern genetics is helping us understand the intricate interplay between environment, culture, and biology that shaped the Dutch population. These discoveries don't just shed light on the past, they offer clues about how humans continue to adapt to changing conditions, making the Dutch a fascinating case study for scientists worldwide. Genetics and culture are deeply intertwined, and the Dutch are a perfect example of how these two forces influence each other. Dutch DNA wasn't shaped in isolation, it evolved alongside their unique cultural practices, societal norms, and environmental demands. This interplay between genetics and culture is what makes the Dutch story so compelling. Take, for example, the Dutch love of dairy. As mentioned earlier, their reliance on milk, cheese, and butter isn't just a dietary preference, it's a cultural tradition born out of necessity. For centuries, the Netherlands' wet, marshy landscape made traditional agriculture difficult, while dairy farming thrived. This dependence on dairy products drove the natural selection of lactose tolerance genes, making the Dutch one of the most lactose-tolerant populations in the world. Their height, too, can be linked to cultural and societal factors. In the Netherlands, tall stature has historically been associated with health and reproductive success. Cultural preferences for tall partners may have further reinforced the genetic selection for height. Over time, this cultural bias became biologically embedded, resulting in the towering Dutch population we see today. The Dutch emphasis on community cooperation also likely influenced their genetics. Living in a country where survival depended on collective efforts to manage water meant that individuals who thrived in collaborative environments had an advantage. Over generations, this cultural focus on teamwork may have subtly shaped traits like empathy and social intelligence, which are now hallmarks of Dutch society. Even their famous egalitarian values may have roots in both culture and biology. Studies suggest that genetic tendencies for fairness and cooperation align with the Dutch emphasis on equality and tolerance. This alignment between genetic predispositions and cultural practices creates a feedback loop, reinforcing both over time. Ultimately, the Dutch are a prime example of how genetics and culture shape each other in a continuous, dynamic process. Their unique traits, whether physical, psychological, or societal, are the result of this intricate dance between biology and environment. This connection highlights an important truth: we are shaped not just by our DNA, but by the world we live in and the culture we create.